Hello traders, in this video we are going to be looking at the Fisher M11 indicator for MT4 and MT5. I'll show you how the Fisher M11 appears as a green and red histogram around the central zero line, what the upside and downside bars imply about trend strength, and how the range periods, price smoothing and index smoothing settings shape its behavior. At this point I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Right, there we have it. The Fisher M11 indicator is displayed in a separate sub-window beneath the main chart as a histogram centered on a horizontal zero line. When the histogram extends above zero, the bars are colored green, visually highlighting bullish conditions and upside momentum based on the Fisher transform of recent prices. When the histogram just below zero, the bars switch to red, highlighting bearish conditions and downside momentum. Strong tall green bars show powerful upward swings, while strong red bars show powerful downward swings. Shrinking bars in either direction suggest that the current move may be losing strength. Because the Fisher transform converts price into a more Gaussian-like distribution, these green and red swings around zero tend to emphasize turning points and trend phases more clearly than raw price alone. As for the indicator settings, let's look at the inputs. So the range period sets how many bars are used to calculate the Fisher transform, directly controlling how sensitive the histogram is to recent highs and lows. Shorter periods react faster, longer periods are smoother but slower. Price smoothing smooths the input price location before it is transformed, helping to filter out choppy fluctuations so the histogram curves are cleaner and less noisy. Index smoothing smooths the Fisher output itself, making the green and red swings less jagged. Higher values reduce whipsaw at the cost of responsiveness. As for who is for, the Fisher M11 indicator is aimed at traders who want a clear, color-coded histogram to read trend direction and momentum at a glance, rather than juggling multiple oscillators. It can be useful for both intraday and swing traders who use the green above zero and red below zero phases to confirm the direction of their setups or to watch for potential turning points. Fisher style indicators are based on historical data and can recalculate the most recent bars, so traders should be cautious about treating the latest bar as a guaranteed signal, especially in fast markets. Fisher M11 is a visual analysis tool only and does not execute or manage trades, so it works best when combined with price action, higher time frame context, and solid risk management. The download link for the Fisher M11 indicator for MT4 and MT5 is in the description below. You can read the full article and see chart examples on the Forex Geek website. For more videos on histogram style oscillators and Fisher based tools, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.